and welcome to the Snack Attack Squad!
I'm Madison. I'm Alex.
I'm Lexie. And I'm May.
We are a squad of kids on a mission to find the ultimate snack.
And today we're going to be trying all the Lay's flavors that we could find at our local store to see which one is the best.
Are you ready, squad?
Snack Attack time! First of all, we have the classic Lay's chips. So let's snack, guys.
I mean, I like how it's like, you know, it's basic classic Lay's. It's good. It's salty, you know, the classic.
You like, it's salty, and you know I like salt, so like, it's good.
It adds like flavor to it.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah, I agree that the chip is very salty.
But really, really good. Like, you know, classic.
Yeah, but then like the salt like just dissolves away, and then there's no fun in the chip. So yeah, I'm probably gonna give it like an 8.
I'm gonna give it like a 10. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10.
I'm going to give it an 8.
Okay, on to the next one.
Next up, we have the lightly salted classic Lay's chips. So let's give them a try. It's no flavor. Like, I don't taste anything.
What is this?
I don't taste any salt. It just tastes like a potato chip.
There's like, okay, so last
Like-
one that was really salty.
Yeah, but like this is just like no salt at all.
It
Like,
tastes like the aftertaste. It just tastes like a potato. There's no fun in it. I'm gonna give it a 6.
I'm giving it a 3.5. I'm sorry, but it's not good as a classic.
I'm giving it a 1.1. I'm gonna give it like a 5. I mean, it's good, but I don't like it.
Now we're
Like,
gonna
really?
move on to the next Lay's chip.
So next up we have the barbecue Lay's chips. So let's give it a try.
Why is it sweet?
Oh, the barbecue chips are like one of my favorites. So
I'll make these alone. I don't like these alone.
actually,
I'll get this like a 10 out of 10. I like it.
Why are these kind of sweet?
I don't know if I like the aftertaste. That's the thing.
Like the
I
aftertaste
need
isn't
more.
sweet.
Yeah, that's the weird thing.
I'm gonna give it like a 6.5.
I'll give it a 5.
I'll give it 10. I'll give it 0.
Okay.
Now we're gonna be moving on to the next chip.
Next up we got sour cream and onion. Let's give it a try.
This one has flavor. I like it.
I don't taste anything.
This is actually a little bit better.
Like, it actually gives like the sour onion and cream flavor.
I don't know about you guys, but I don't really taste anything.
I'll give
What?
that a 9 out of 10.
These
The
are
flavor-
really good.
The flavor lasts 1 second and then it's just gone. The aftertaste is good though.
I agree. I'm gonna rate this an 8.5.
I rate this an 8.5.
I'm gonna probably give this a 7.
I'm gonna give that a 9 out of 10.
Okay, on to the next one. Okay, so next up we have salt and vinegar, so let's give it a try.
The smell is not very appealing. That's all I have to say.
The smell, like, I can smell it. Like, it tastes like vinegar.
It's too vinegary over me.
It's a 1. It's a 1.
Take
I
a
can't
1.
even.
Take
Okay,
1.
1.
Take a
1.
1.
No explanation, just 1.
I need water.
No, it's a 10. Chill.
The taste is stuck in the back of my throat. I need water.
10 out of 10.
Now
Okay,
let's go into the next one.
Next
please.
one, please, please.
Up next, we have the cheddar and sour cream. So let's give it a try. I like how it's cheesy, but I don't get any sour cream flavor.
Yeah, same. Also, the cheese comes like, it's not cheesy until the aftertaste, which is.
The cheese, like, I don't know how I feel about the cheese.
It's actually like pretty good.
Yeah, I agree. It is pretty good though.
Yeah, I rate it a 6.9.
I'm giving it a 4.5.
8.
I'm also gonna give it a 6.9.
I'm gonna give it an 8.
Now we're gonna go on to the next one.
So next up we have cheddar jalapeno. Let's try it out.
I wonder if it's gonna be spicy.
It just doesn't smell good. It's
yeah.
good.
I taste the spiciness.
It has a bit of kick. I like it.
Oh god.
I
God.
like the kick. It's
Oh
good.
god.
Mm,
It's like
I like how it's
good.
spicy, and it's like cheddary. I'm rating it an 8.
is not really appealing. So I'm gonna give it
Oh yeah,
an 8.5.
That is so strong. The spiciness. I rate it a -1 out of 10.
Time to the next up. Next up is the lemon flavor. Let's give it a try.
No smell. No smell.
Yeah, no smell.
It smells similar like the Lay's, the classic.
Oh, we do get a hint of lemon, right?
It kind of tastes like lime.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry, lime.
Madison, do you agree with me?
Mm-hmm.
Lexie, do you? May, do you?
I don't really like it. I'm sorry.
Well,
Like,
Alex,
it's sour. But I don't know if sour is good for a chip. You know?
Yeah,
I rated it a 6.5. Like, I like how it has a lime flavor and stuff, but like, it doesn't go well with the chip.
It tastes like the
9.
salt and vinegar, just like a less of a strong flavor. So I'm gonna give it a 4.
It tastes like lime, and it's also pretty sour, like lemon. So I rate it a 2.
Okay, let's
I'm
move on.
sorry.
like I will give it a 9.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so next off we have the chili lemon. So let's give it a shot.
It smells.
I got feel like a little bit of smell, like
You still get like that hint of like lemon in it.
I really like this one. This is really good.
I can't like find like the chili in it though.
Yeah, I agree.
You know? Like it comes out like
Like-
oh, now I feel it. I
Like-
feel it now.
Like it's a tiny kick in like your
The-
back throat.
Yeah, it's like a tiny skin in your back throat. I feel it now. I like how like it's an aftertaste, so like it's like a surprise attack. That's what I really like about it.
I'm gonna give this one a 9.
I'm gonna give this one. I agree. I'm gonna give this one a 9.
I really don't like this. It's like, and it also smells. So I rate it a 1.9.
I will give it a 10 out of 10. I like spice.
Now let's move on to the next flavor. Up next we have the honey barbecue one, so let's give it a try.
I really don't have a good feeling about this.
A little bit good. Yeah, I
It
like
smells good.
It's like get that like honey. in it,
Oh,
right?
oh, God.
It doesn't have a distinct smell, but I can
This one
taste the honey flavor in it.
This one like kind of tastes like the barbecue, but like the honey just comes out like the end. That's why.
Let's see.
Yeah, I agree. It tastes similar like the barbecue.
Yeah, I think.
I mean,
Lexi's
it's
right.
I mean, it smells good.
I like this one actually. I'll give it a 9.5. That's really good.
I'm gonna give this one probably an 8.7.
I'll give this a 2.1.
I could eat a whole bag of these.
I go for like a 7. Yeah. On to the next one.
Let's go on to the next one.
So next up we have the wavy Funyuns. Let's give it a try.
I wonder if these will actually taste like Funyuns. That's my question.
It smells good.
I like good. I like it.
To me, it has no distinct flavor.
It has like a hint of
Yeah. It
Funyun
has like a
to
hint,
it.
but
I like
nothing
it, but
really special.
I don't like how it has like a hint. But I also
How-
love like I like how like it's wavy, so like you get like a better crunch of it. So
But
See, I agree with you.
but generally, it's just it's nothing special. So
the
I'll
smell.
give it- yeah, the smell. Like I can't really get anything for the smell. I'm gonna rate it. I'd say 3.5.
I rate it a 3.5. Like Lexie.
I'm probably gonna be giving it a 6. I mean, yeah,
I'll
it's not
give
that great.
I'll give it a 7. Like again. Yeah.
Okay, on to the next one.
Next up is the doradas. Let's go to try.
These like remind me of like the Takis crisp flavor. I'm not too sure if they're like spicy or not.
They don't have any smell. So.
I mean, I get like a tiny bit.
It smells spicy, which makes me need to get more water.
I tasted it had like a little bit of spice and I went away like
It's like
really
sour,
quickly.
but like that sourness goes like away. Like
This tastes exactly like a Taki crisp, just without the spice.
yeah, like because Takis are like spicy and stuff, but like just what this tastes like a Takis crisp without the spice. I agree with you. I don't really like it though.
Yeah, there's no flavor. It's
Not
pretty much
like there's
plain.
like the flavor just goes away. So I'm gonna rate it 2.
Alexia, I agree with you. I also rate it a 2.
I mean, it's not bad, but it's pretty basic for like a flavor idea. So I'm probably gonna have to give it a 5.
Madison, how do you rate it?
I like give it a like a 4.
A 4?
Okay, let's move on to the next one.
Let's go!
Okay, and finally for our final flavor, we have a dill pickle. So let's give it a shot.
It kind of smells like salt and vinegar.
That like the salt and vinegar chips. I
Yeah.
agree.
Yeah.
I agree, Alex. It smells like going in the yeah. I have like
I'm getting a dill pickle taste. I mean, like I
either.
get out like the and go, but it goes away quick. Not my favorite.
It tastes pretty
though.
stale. I'm gonna give it.
I'm gonna give it a 1.5. Sorry, dill pickle.
I would give it a 2.
It's not that
Definitely
good.
2.
I do not like pickles.
Okay,
I
think.
rate it a 0.1.
Now let's see
Wait.
which ones are our top 4.
Okay, I'm also gonna rate it this like a 1. It's really bad.
I know, I'm sorry. It's like really bad.
So here are our top 4 flavors that we thought were like, you know, like the ones that like we really liked. So we have classic, chili lemon, cheddar and sour cream, and honey barbecue. So let's give them a try.
So here we have classic.
I mean, you can never go wrong with classic.
I don't know.
It's good, like salty, like chips are like the original are classic. It's good. Ooh.
Yeah, I agree.
Next flavor.
Next up, we have the chili lemon. I mean, you can never go wrong with the spice and chips. Really good.
I really don't like this. I'm taking a tiny bit.
But like, it's not really the
Like
best
you-
one.
Like the spice is so strong.
Next up, we have cheddar and sour cream.
Oh,
This one, like, I personally like how like it has like
even a
cheddar.
tiny bit is so strong.
I like how it has like cheddar. in it. Alex, take some.
I like it.
And then
Yeah, I like this.
Now for the last one, we have the honey barbecue one.
Oh no.
Again, like, it's good, but like, you know, it just tastes like barbecue with like a little bit like of honey at the end. So like, it's not really.
No, not really.
Now I'm allergic.
and now we are gonna decide our
Like number 1, so we will rate them from first place to 4th place to see which one is the best. So guys, what do you think?
I think the best is that one.
I think I like the classic. Like you can never go wrong with classic. I also really like this one because there's flavor.
I think for first place.
I like these two.
Yeah, first place.
First place classic.
First place definitely has to be classic.
First place is
It has to be
classic.
classic.
Because like you can never go wrong with classic.
Okay, so in second place.
Second place is the cheddar, sour, and cream.
I agree.
And then
And-
what do you guys think for third place?
I like the honey barbecue.
Yeah, I think I like the honey barbecue more than this.
Do you guys
Now
like
that I'm
honey
trying it
barbecue
again.
more than that?
Yeah.
Now
This one's
number-
way too spicy.
Now for number 3 we have the For number 3 we have the honey barbecue, and for number 4 we have the chili lemon. I think like we like this and all, but like it's just like the lemon flavor just doesn't go good with like the spiciness.
Like even a tiny bit, it's so strong that I need to take water.
So looks like that our favorite flavor was the classic. We hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And comment what your favorite flavor is.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
And,
Bye.
and we'll see you in our latest video. Oh my